Here I am, just a tiny dot in this vast world. Join the club of confusion, frustration, and that never ending battle from within. The one we just fight to exist. किसने सोचा था that an army of his son would end up in this space? Mentally exhausted, emotionally drained, and quietly burning from the inside. Tough बनो, keep working और तेरी एंग्जाइटी चली जाएगी. Depression is just in your head. Distract yourself and your anxiety will go away. I'm injured, but still मैं ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ. Toughen up. यही सिखाया गया है हमारे पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन को. Hide the pain, keep the emotions in your gut, and keep moving. But the truth is, only the person who is catching the fire knows how much it's burning inside him, vividly and unimaginatively. Since the age of 11, it has been hard for me to face this world with my emotions. माँ को जल्दी खो दिया. Constantly schools, cities and identities kept on changing. And in all of that, I was just an innocent kid trying to hold it all together by myself. लोग मुझे भोला कहते थे. Too sensitive for this world. उन्होंने कहा तू मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा और तेरे पास कुछ नहीं रहेगा. I was bullied, felt abandoned. In fact, got slapped in front of 14 classmates for something that I didn't even say. I still remember vividly those abusive words scribbled on my back of my school t-shirt, and the inner child in me, well, screamed, afraid, and totally silenced. Not getting any sort of space to think, or maybe just to act. Well, that's quite sad, right? Quite sad enough to understand where I lie in this world. Then I gave birth to loneliness. Always this introvert kid that I was, longing to be understood, to be included. 100 rupees pocket money में थे, walking around school alone, hoping to even share that piece of samosa with someone, or just sitting by the tree looking at people playing games. Just a place that I wanted to feel that I wanted to be belonged. Yet, I felt all alone in this whole universe of loneliness. And you know what? In that silence, depression quietly became my only friend. I fell into a wrong company, got into wrong habits at the age of 17, let people misuse my kindness, my money, because all I ever wanted was just to feel less alone, just to feel something, like I'm someone in this world looking for a company. मेरे डैड हमेशा पोस्टिंग्स में थे. My sister was all by herself, living her own life out of the house. तो खुद को बड़ा करना पड़ा मुझे, all by myself, emotionally, mentally and physically as well. And when I tried basically to fit in, they laughed. They said that I was immature. They never cared to see the human that I was from the inside. the person that I was really becoming. These childhood wounds had followed me into my adulthood. Well, the fear of not being enough, of not figuring out before the time runs out, pushed me towards careers that didn't feel mine at all. They told me I wouldn't survive in this real, fast paced world that we all live in. You are too emotional. The world will eat you alive. Really. Because in all of this madness, I was still growing. A creative soul, just trying to search the true purpose. But the contrast was what is next? Or let's just say, the constant feeling of being was आगे क्या करना है? The mental noise in my head said, hurry up, put effort, the time is running out. I felt like I was being choked with no room just underneath who I truly I am as a person, as a reflection of myself, yet an identity, still walking, still trying to find myself, still trying to see where do I go. हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में और इस पूरी दुनिया में everyone is running to figure it out. Get a job, get married before 30, settle down. Some people actually find their purpose at a very early stage, while some are born working towards it. And really encouraging themselves to move ahead in whatever direction they have decided for themselves. But what about the rest of us? हम सबका क्या? दुनिया इन दो कैटेगरी से थोड़ी ना बनी है. That you have one where person already knows and one who's always ambitious and passionate about doing things. Is it really wrong to take out time for yourself to find the purpose in your life where you really fit in? क्या इतनी ही जल्दी है कि उम्र चली जाएगी? Of course, सेल्फ एफर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा खुद को ढूंढने के लिए. But it also does not mean that to be part of this rat race that we live in, जो 40-50 साल की उम्र तक जीते हैं and then they say, now I want to feel life and do as it may. अब मैं जीऊँगा, अब मैं लाइफ को खुल के जीऊँगा अपने हिसाब से, क्योंकि मैं सेटल्ड हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे सब कुछ मिल चुका है और मैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए तैयार हूँ. तो मैं वो करूँगा जो मुझे करना है. Think about it for a second. To all of you who are working, feeling like this is not the right space for you, yet you are working क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारी फैमिली नीड्स हैं जिनको तुम्हें पूरी करनी है, तुम्हारे पीछे तुम्हारी मजबूरी है क्योंकि तुम गरीब हो और तुम्हारे पास आगे कोई दिशा नहीं है. बस तुम्हें ये करते रहना पड़ेगा और करते रहना पड़ेगा. Right now as I speak, I'm just a man. मैं बस एक आदमी हूँ who's trying to make sense of himself. A soul searching for a true meaning. And if you are someone who's feeling the same, confused, lost and overwhelmed, let me tell you something. You're not alone. It's okay to not have all figured it out. It's okay to not fit inside the mold. It's okay that your journey looks different than the others, whether it is your father, mother's, sister, brother, or anybody, take a breath. Listen to your inner voice. Write down everything that is making sense for you and let it speak. लिखो कुछ भी जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ रहा है, अगर तुम रुके हुए हो, स्टक हो, कंफ्यूज्ड हो, कुछ भी. Even if it does not make sense to you right now, at least you're trying. At least you haven't given up on yourself. Age is not a deadline. तुम्हारे parents, society, or friends, in fact, they don't get to choose or decide your path. You do. And if you don't start living for yourself, then who will? Like the all people say. So basically, take your time. Bhago mat just to survive. Don't just rush to survive. Learn to live. Learn to understand what's around you. This world hasn't ended yet. There is still time to find your place. बस वो सेल्फ एफर्ट कंसिस्टेंट रहना चाहिए खुद पे, क्योंकि वही चीज तुमको आगे ले जाएगी. There is still time to become who you really were meant to be. Trust me. While I'm making this video right now in front of you, I'm still searching. मैं खुद ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मैं खुद हेल्पलेस फील कर रहा हूँ. But maybe, just maybe, this message reaches to someone like me. And if that is you, just know you are something. You're worth something. You're worth and more than those 3% people who knows what to do and figure out themselves early in their life. And definitely, you will find your purpose. What if say I can, आप बदल सकते हो. And one day you will look back and be proud that you kept on going and you kept on continuing to your journey and you did not give up on yourself. Just stay consistent. Someone told me that there is always a solution to your problem. When you're stuck, you just need to find out by being consistent, by coming to whatever is there in your mind. At the end, if these reflections resonated with your heart, please share this video with someone who really needs to hear. Comment below to tell your story or just say hi and I'll be there. And subscribe to join more such honest reflections about life and in my own journey. Thank you.